Hi folks, welcome to segment 6, which is setting up your Blackberry phone. Now, one of the great things about our Color Touch and our Color Connect IntelliLink and MyLink radios is that they can directly interact with your Bluetooth enabled phones. Now, we're going to cover a lot of the features in some different videos, but first I want to walk you through how you pair your phone with the system. Now, this particular video will be perfect if you are a Blackberry user. Now, if you are using an Android or an iPhone or just a regular Bluetooth-enabled phone, there is a separate video for each of those. Now, while most of the videos are identical, we wanted to make sure that we could help you with each different type of phone. So you only need to watch one video that is specific to the type of phone that you have, but overall, they're very similar. Now, like always, there are a number of different ways to connect to your phone, but just remember, you only have to do this once. When you do set everything up, the vehicle will connect to your phone automatically from that point on. Now, before you go through the process of pairing your phone, make sure that your Bluetooth is actually turned on your phone first. Now, if you haven't done this before, it's actually pretty easy. Now, depending on the version of the Blackberry software that you're using, just go to the main menu and then select either Manage Connections for the OS 6.0 or Options for another Blackberry operating system. Now, from there, you can either go to the Setup Bluetooth or the Bluetooth option. From that, you will see Enable Bluetooth option. Just make sure that the Bluetooth part is set on and you'll be all ready to go so that the system will automatically scan for the device when it does come time. Now, with that set up, let me show you how to do this setup by using the voice commands first. To do this, you use the button on the steering wheel that looks like that face speaking. Now, this is the same one that you'd use to accept an incoming phone call. Now, to set your phone up, you can either say pair or connect. They work the same, but the process is really quite easy as it prompts you what to do every step of the way. Now, I'm going to use the pair command, but let me show you just how easy this is. Just press that button to start the process.
Please say a command.
Pair.
Please search for Bluetooth devices on your phone. Select your vehicle, confirm, or enter the PIN number provided on the screen.
Okay, it's now prompting me to do a search on my Blackberry. So back to that Bluetooth screen on the Blackberry phone, and you will see the Bluetooth connections option. And then from there, you will see the Add New Device option. The phone will then actually prompt you to search for that device, and once it finds it, it will then tell you to enter in a code that's now being displayed on there, or it will already have the code entered in for you so that what you have to do is just simply agree to it. So in this choice, I'm going to choose the GMC Terrain because that's the vehicle I'm in. It could be Chevrolet Equinox. It could be any one of the vehicles that has the MyLink or IntelliLink system. Now, it is important to verify this. It's asking me to make sure that that's the right code there. And when I say yes, we're all set and ready to go. By verifying that, it may actually prompt up another one that says, would you like to accept any connections? And just by saying yes, I'm all set.
Successfully paired with Ridgeway Blackberry 9800.
It tells you everything about it. And again, it may just give you a couple little extra menus to select if it's a preferred device or do you want this to connect automatically. But by doing so, it means that every time you get in and out of the vehicle, you'll be all set up and ready to go and the phone is there. That vehicle will now verify the connection every single time you bring the phone into the vehicle. So my phone's all set up, it's ready to go. I can actually set up about 5 different phones as well, so that if your spouse or your kids also drive this vehicle, they can also drive safely and hands-free. Now, you can initiate this process through the touch screen if you don't want to start off with the voice commands like we did a second ago. And all you have to do right from the main home screen is just press the phone button. And from there, you'll see that you can actually get into the phone settings, and then you get to the same kind of menu. You have Bluetooth and then pair device. And it'll walk you through the rest of the pairing code setup with your phone, just like we did a moment ago. Again, once you set up the phone, you don't have to worry about it again. Unless you delete it off of your phone settings or you have a battery power failure in your vehicle, it should always be there for you. It will connect automatically so that you don't have to do anything but drive safely with your hands on the wheel and your hands off the phone. Now we're going to cover making a call in a separate video, but all of your phone's address book and all of the important data that's on there for making phone calls, it's all now connected. You can use voice commands, you can select it on the larger touchscreen, but if you're worried about security, this information is only available when you are in the vehicle and your phone is paired. As soon as you leave, or more appropriately, as soon as you take the phone out of the vehicle, your address book leaves with you. So there you have it. Your phone is now all set up and it's ready to go. Now next up, make sure you watch the rest of the videos in this series. So we'll see you shortly.